In this video, I will present an herbal drink, and it describes how to prepare and use it correctly, according to the traditional method. This medicinal drink, which stimulates the immune system, can be used by everyone from young children to adults. Especially this is a perfect medicine for any viral fever that causes cough and cold. There is no specific medicine for a virus, and the body's immune system naturally suppresses the virus. Since 1796, modern scientific medicine has been using the vaccine against the virus. A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine usually contains a causative agent of a pathogenic microorganism, which is often made up of weakened or killed microorganisms. The word vaccine was coined by Edward Jenner to vaccinate against smallpox. The Latin word vacca means cattle. What Jenner realized was that cattle smallpox-infected cowboys do not get smallpox. He pointed out that by preparing the body's immune system for a pathogen in advance, the body has the ability to suppress the pathogen as soon as it enters the body. He started vaccinating against smallpox, saving many lives and eradicating one of mankind's worst epidemics from the world. Vaccination is currently the most effective method of preventing infectious diseases. Medicinal plants have been the basis for medical treatments through much of human history. Unlike chemical medicines, the effectiveness of traditional herbal medicines hasn't guaranteed in pharmaceutical laboratory. However, the result when used correctly has been verified in their experiences by the community used. The effectiveness of herbal medicine may vary when combined with certain foods and beverages. If the diet is correct, no medication need. If the diet is incorrect, medication is not effective. During herbal medicine use, especially, we have to be careful about diet. This traditional knowledge consists of the fields of knowledge that have developed over generations in different societies before the era of modern medicine. Traditional medicine is well used in some countries. The people of that society knew this traditional knowledge. Well, we look at the ingredients which used for this. Looking at the prices in India and Sri Lanka, the market price for all this is less than US $1. But we have to carefully when we use herbs. Some herbaceous plants in the same family have the same appearance, but different in medicinal properties and effectiveness. Coriander and ginger are widely used around the world, so I will explain, accept them. 5 grams of king of bitter. It is known as king of bitters in English, Mahatita Sanskrit, Kiryado Gujarati, Mahatita Hindi, Kalmeg Bengali, or Fatalayon Thai. Those are spread throughout South India and Sri Lanka, which perhaps represent the center of origin and diversity of the species. The herb is an introduced species in northern parts of India, China, Java, Malaysia, Indonesia, the West Indies, and elsewhere in the Americas. 5 grams of Oldlandia diamond flower. Botanical name, Oldlandia corymbosa. Other names, Corymbus hediotis, flat top millgrains, Walpath padigam, wild cheroot, Sanskrit, Parpata, Parpataka, Hindi, Daman popper, Pitpapra, Tamil, Katakayavar, Papanpuntu, Malayalam, Prapatakam, Prapatakapalu, Telugu, Vernalavemu, Kannada, Parpatahulu, Konkani, Purapat, Nepali, Pringo. Widespread through tropical and subtropical Africa, Arabia, subtropical and tropical Asia, to New Guinea. 5 grams of Vishnu Kranthi. Botanical name, Volvula sulcinoides. Other name, The Nellicoreaceae. This is a flowering plant from the family Convolvulaceae. It has a natural pantropical distribution, widespread through Australasia, Indomalaya, Polynesia, Sub-Saharan Africa and the Americas. 5 grams of licorice root. Botanical name, Glycyrrhiza glabra. In Ayurveda, Yashti Madhu. Hindi name, Malati, and many name in India, Valmi and Sri Lanka. Native to Western Asia and Southern Europe, producing licorice, in India, Iran, Italy, Afghanistan, and the People's Republic of China, Pakistan, Iraq, Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Turkey. 5 grams of yellow vine. The plant is known by many different names, such as tree turmeric, false columba, columbo weed, Weniwell, Daraharidra in Sanskrit, Maramanjal in Tamil and Malayalam, Hemerbintivo aromian in Khmer. 5 grams of yellow berried nightshade, native for India and Sri Lanka. Tamil names, Kandan Katari Sanskrit name, Kandakari Sinhala name, Kachuwel Batu. 5 grams of variegated sweet flag, Tamil name, Vaikampu, Vashambu. Sanskrit name, Vacha, Sadgrantha. Grows in India, Sri Lanka. Acarus calamus is now found across Europe, in southern Russia, northern Asia Minor, southern Siberia, China, Japan, Burma, Australia, southern Canada and northern USA. 5 grams of cardamom ginger. Botanical name Alpina calcarata. This plant native to India and Sri Lanka. Common name snap ginger, cardamom ginger. Sanskrit, Rusna, in India, Kulanjan, Arada, Chikadumparasam, Aurea, Duroni, Shugandamola, in Sri Lanka, Hinartha, Katukaria. Now, I am going to show you how to prepare this medicinal drink. Here you can see 5 grams by each herb in all of the above mentioned. I brought each herb. Here is all are dry except king of bitter. I show you one by one. Coriander 5 grams. Ginger 5 grams. 5 grams of licorice root. 5 grams of cardamom ginger. Yellow vine 5 grams. Yellow fruit nightshade 5 grams. Sweet flag 5 grams. Oldlandia diamond flower 5 grams. Vishnu-kranthi 5 grams and king of bitter 5 grams. Put all of this into pot. Add 8 cups of water. Let it heat up over medium heat. This is after 1 hour. It takes more than 2 hours to become a cup of medicine. Now should have a filter to filter. Add grape and candy and let it about 2 minutes before drink. For a healthy person, a single use is enough to improve defenses and immunity for a short period of time. If you have a viral fever that causes coughs and colds, you will feel better after using it once. If yes, use this 4 times a day continuously. This is the herbal drink which I said. Thank you. I wish you healthy life.